Hello, I am Emily Aria. Welcome to our latest video. Today, we are going to explore how we can use some amazing AI tools to create stunning videos. As you can see that I am an animated video created by AI tools. We will be using ChatGPT to generate the script, MidJourney to generate the images, ElevenLabs to convert the text to audio, and DID Studio to create an animated video with audio and image. So, let's get started. We will use DID Studio to create an animated video with audio and image. If you want to create this type of video, see full video properly. Don't skip this video. So there you have it. With the help of ChatGPT, MidJourney, ElevenLabs, and DID Studio, we can create amazing videos that will engage and inform our audience. We hope you found this video helpful and informative, and we look forward to seeing your own AI-generated videos.
Okay, let's start. I will complete this process by 3 steps. But before, one thing tell you that if you don't have any Discord account, create a Discord account and create a Discord server. Steps 1. Go to MidJourney website. You will see a button, join the beta, and click on this button. After that, you get this window and accept invite. Okay. I have already Discord server. Just click on it. MidJourney has a special prompt called /imagine. After type /imagine, you will see a prompt message and click on it. Here you need to write prompt. I have a prompt found from Reddit and I have just edit some. I have just pasted it here. Okay, I have pasted it. Now we need to run it. Let's run. It will take some second. Wait. It will take few time to generate image. It gives us 4 images. Choose one of them by pressing first row. But if you want to more variation, just click on below row. But if you want to again refresh or again want to run, you need to just click on this refresh button. If you want to more variation, just click on below row. But if you want to select one image, just click above row one of them button. Suppose if I want to select second photo, just click U2. Okay, it gives us this photo, but I want to generate more image. I have saved this photo on my PC for creating my video. Now we need a script. Go to ChatGPT. Now ask ChatGPT to create a script for your video. I have already a script. You need to write this line and run it. Now go to ElevenLabs. If you don't have any account, please create your account. You can see one text field. Here you need to write your script. You can change your voice. I have a one script and I have just pasted it here. Okay, I have pasted my script and I need to change the voice. Okay, now click on the generate button. Now save this audio on your computer. I have saved this audio. Step 3, go to Studio DID ElevenLabs. Sign in for your free trial. Okay, now click on create video. Here you see that many presenters are available, but you can choose your one presenter. Press add. Now select your presenter or your character. I have selected one. Okay. Now you need to upload your voice. Here you see that you can upload your one voice. Okay. Upload your voice. It will take some times. Okay. Voice upload is finished. Now click on the generate video button. It will take some time. click generate button. Okay, here we can see that our video is created successfully. If this video really helped you, consider to subscribe and on comment.